brief tour through some aspects of CSS and Moodle in this video. It's a big subject, so we won't have a chance to do a lot. But we've got here the Chrome browser up, and we've got the inspector open. So if we want to have a look at what determines the display characteristics of certain elements, we can inspect them, and we can see there that we've got a breadcrumb class, which is an ordered list, and then a breadcrumb item here. So it's quite similar to our Superiframe in many ways. And if we want to see what happens, for example, if we want to change the background color there of the links, we can actually in the inspector just click in here and try a different color just to see what happens. And you can see here it's actually affected our links as well, because we've actually set that color on all of the A elements, all of the anchor elements in the page. So let's scroll on down. Let's say that was done at some kind of theming level, but we didn't really like it. We didn't really want it for our page links. So we could hop down here to our actual size link here. So that's applied to the individual links. And we could say that inside a link here, we could actually take away, what did we do? We did the background color, do we? Yep. So we could go set it to white, and you can see here that we've set it back to white inside our own size links. That's one way we can do that. If we want to affect the whole of the Superiframe sizes div, that's this div here, we set up two, remember, iframe sizes and iframe size links. We can have a look at that one. There it is, sizes. And we can, for example, change the margin there, so we could separate a little bit further from the title perhaps if we wanted to, and we could make it just to make it really stand out, so we can really push it down the page. And again, with the size links, we can play around with the spacing. We've got the padding there. Let's suppose we want it a little bit closer, we can do it. Suppose we want a little bit further apart, we can see the effect there. We can do quite a few things with our CSS inspector here and play around until we get a really nice look that we like. Notice there you can see the padding on that, the little green space beyond the highlighted element shows you the padding that's on that element. And if we add a margin, we'll see the difference too. So if we add a margin, we should be able to see the difference between the margin and the padding. I didn't, better put a size unit in there. Okay, alright, so once again, if we hover over and inspect that, we can see the margin there, the left margin of 50px, and we can see the right padding of 25px as well. So we can easily adjust those different aspects of our size links. Okay, I think that'll just about do us for this video. There's a lot more, of course, to CSS, but those are some of the basics.